Hey, what's up, guys? Today on Scratch Tutorial, we are here with another video. Yesterday, yeah, no, yeah, yesterday we made a tutorial how to choose a skin. I made another one. It's the alien guy, and yeah, today we're gonna do how to make levels per round. Okay, of course you need to make a sprite, and the sprite name is gonna be, yeah, just let me rename levels. Okay, and now you're gonna text something. I want black. You need to press text, and then you can type level 1. So yeah, you need to make it big. And then how many levels you have? How I have 6 levels, so I need to make 6 level things. Wait, level 6 up to level 3. Wait, let me make them big. Okay, that's good. Let's make this one big too. Okay, level 4 now. Level 4. Okay, that's good. Level 5. And level 6. Okay, now I'm done. You need to do a little bit of coding. You need to do, when green flag is clicked, hide. When duplicated, you need to get rid of the hide one. Oh wait, you still need, but not duplicate the green flag. Okay, when clicked on the flag, switch costume to costume 1. How to levels? So okay, choose your skin. It's still gonna be. Let's just. Yeah, okay, I got it there. Okay. When clicked on the green flag, switch costume to 7. No, not 7. Think. Wait, let me figure it out. Okay, guys, I got it in. You need to do it to the last one, so costume 5. But it's not gonna show yet. So go to events. When I receive level up, show. Wait 1 second. Next costume. Wait 1 second. Let's duplicate it. Hide. So it's gonna look like this. Okay. Oh, wait, no, it did not work. Wait, you don't need to do this one. So, okay, so it's gonna look like this. Level 1, level 2. From level 3 to level 4 to level 5 to level 6 and then to level 1. So yeah, it's basically gonna look like that. But I have another things for you. Okay, make another sprite. No, not a sprite. Make a variable level. Okay, you need to do when the green flag is clicked, set jumping, no, level to 1. So yeah, it's level 1 now. Okay, and then when I receive level up, change level by 1. So it's gonna look like this. Look, you see top left? It's changing levels. Yeah. If you want the end screen, you just can do this. Choose a backdrop. You can choose party or you can do it by yourself. I'm gonna choose party, but you need to go here versus blue sky. So you need to do when green flag is clicked forever if what was it equals 50. You need to do that level. I have 6 levels, so level 6. Switch backdrop to party. So it's gonna basically look like this. If I finish it. Oh wait, what? Wait, no. Okay, when green flag is clicked, switch backdrop to blue sky. So it's this now. I hope it works. No. Okay. Wait, let me figure it out again. Okay guys, I got it. You don't need to do a backdrop. You just need to make another sprite. So let's delete the party one. Let's just make a sprite where it says, yeah, let's do like this. And then text. Wait, no, you don't need to make another sprite. Let's just do this. You need to do it at the levels. Costume. Choose a costume. No, not choose one. What am I doing? Make. Hello. Hello. Okay, it worked again. Okay, let's make it this one green then. And level to let's make it black so it's better to see. You win. Okay, now it's wait, no, okay. It basically is gonna look like this. Right. Okay. So yeah. Wait. What? Why did that happen? Okay then. Let's just move it up. Okay. Is that where the other ones do? Yeah. Don't worry, you just need to move it a little bit up. Yeah, it's all of them. But don't worry, nothing will happen with your game. I mean, if this happens to you, basically, it happens to me. But, okay. Um, okay, now, yeah, it works now. Okay, the levels work. Oh, okay. Sorry, drink a little bit of water. Stay hydrated. Okay. Yeah. Now, okay. Level 6, the last level. Yeah, okay, now, oh, it didn't show up, but don't worry, you can just type yes. You can just type you win. So that was it. Goodbye, guys.